Good morning, everyone. It's a great honor to be here today at this international symposium on very high cosmic ray interactions to discuss the topic of the dissemination efforts of the Hyper-Kamiokande collaboration in Mexico. Representing Outreachhyper-Kamiokande Mexico, our mission is to communicate not only the advancements related to this third generation neutrino detector, but also the significant contributions made by the Mexican universities to this project. Hyper-Kamiokande HK or Hyper-K is a premier international research initiative led by the University of Tokyo and the High Energy Accelerator Research Organization KEK in Japan, with plans to begin experiments in 2027. The Hyper-K detector features a fiducial mass 8.4 times larger than that of Super Kamiokande and collaborates advanced high sensitivity photosensors alongside a high intensity neutrino beam generated by enhanced J-Park accelerator facility. The project's goals include exploring the history and evolution of the universe and grant unified theory by examining CP violation, proton decay, and neutrinos from supernovae, making this possible with the contribution of 22 countries. The Outreachhyper-Kamiokande Mexico project was established in 2020. Next slide, Judith, please. No, the next. Okay. The same year, the Mexican collaboration was formalized. Mexico's involvement in the Hyper-Kamiokande project began through the efforts of PhDs Eduardo de la Fuente and Saúl Cuenrochin. You might have known them. Also, here there's a photo of the last proto collaboration in which you can see PhD Eduardo de la Fuente and PhD Saúl Cuenrochin. Next slide, please. PhD Professor Cayita, Nobel laureate, extended an invitation to PhD de la Fuente to participate in experiments on neutrinos and gamma rays. On the other hand, Saúl Cuenrochin is a student of Professor Akira Konaka, and PhD Saúl Cuenrochin had connections with investigators working in nuclear sciences in Mexico. One of these investigators invited PhD Eduardo de la Fuente to participate in Hyper-Kamiokande with PhD Saúl Cuenrochin, marking the beginning of Mexico's participation in this research initiative. Next. Sorry, can someone give me the volume? Sorry? Can someone give me to speak? They say that they cannot understand still. But in my phone, I have a second. Can you let me speak? Oh. I think she is trying to get back in with her phone. Can you accept her into the Zoom?
She's in.
No, with the phone also.
Yeah.
They say you are in.
Okay. Give up.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Now I can listen to you. Sorry, continue, Montserrat.
We listen to you pretty clear. I think so.
Okay, perfect. Sorry.
Continue, please.
Okay. Can you?
In addition,
can you listen to me now? Sorry, can you listen to me now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. The Outreachhyper-Kamiokande Mexico was established in 2020, as Montserrat said, and the project began through the efforts of PhD Eduardo de la Fuente, she mentioned. And now, in addition to the three founders of the Mexican group, we now have additional researchers contributing to the project. These researchers are affiliated with Tecnológico de Monterrey, campuses in Guadalajara, Sinaloa, and Monterrey, as well as UAS, UNACH, and UDG.
Having said that, the outreach group was initiated by PhD Katsumi Tomatani, a member of the International Outreach Committee of the Hyper-Kamiokande project. The primary objective of this initiative is to disseminate the progress and accomplishments of the Hyper-Kamiokande collaboration to the Mexican population, and to emphasize the importance of the partnership between Mexican universities and this international program as one of the most ambitious scientific research collaborations for our nation.
To achieve this goal, we have utilized social media such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to share information about the project's advancements. Additionally, we have organized multiple scientific conferences on neutrino physics at Tecnológico de Monterrey, featuring researchers involved in this project.
Here on screen, you can see the most outstanding students from our outreach program who have participated in previous years. All of them are from Industrial Physics Engineer Career Program at Tecnológico de Monterrey, Monterrey Campus. Currently, the outreach is composed solely of students from Tecnológico de Monterrey, but we hope to integrate students from other collaborating universities into this branch of the project in the future. Nonetheless, we have collaborated with student groups within the university who share an interest in the project, such as the Particle Accelerator Community at Tecnológico de Monterrey, better known as CAPTEC, and the Student Society of Industrial Physics Engineering, SAIFI.
Additionally, in 2021, we had the opportunity to merge physics with culture through our collaboration with Andes Lab from Argentina to celebrate Dark Matter Day in Latin America. We invited students from various academic levels to participate in the projects, such as the Calaveritas Literarias contest in Mexico and a drawing contest for children in Brazil, where they imagined machines to capture dark matter. Our team evaluated the entries and shared videos of the children's creation to foster a better understanding of the topics. And as a result, we were invited to participate in one of the Summiters magazine articles about Dark Matter Day. Today, we are excited to participate in two special ongoing collaborations, our partnership with Andes Lab from Argentina and our collaboration with the designer Fanny Margot. The latest effort is going to result in a unique fashion collection inspired by the Hyper-Kamiokande. In keeping with the ethos of our group's name and using this conference platform, we are glad to share the latest advancements made by the research team in Mexico. First of all, researchers from UDG and Tecnológico de Monterrey involved in the project have been awarded 2 Frontier Science Awards, one in 2023 and the other in 2024, which will fund the construction of photomultiplier tube sensors to enhance contributions to Hyper-Kamiokande currently in its construction phase. To highlight the investment in 2023, $112,071 were approved by CONACYT for UDG's award, and 1,188,889 Mexican pesos, or approximately $65,099 were approved by CONACYT for the award aimed at Tecnológico de Monterrey in 2024. Additionally to this award, the PMT's construction will be funded by the Novos Project Award that was given by Tecnológico de Monterrey to this collaboration. Additionally, we extend our congratulations to Master Maria Fernanda for her distinguished thesis, in which she conducted an analysis of data from the experiment simulator, detecting and classifying types of neutrinos in Cherenkov tanks. This analysis is being prepared for the arrival of data in 2027, making the first such study from the Mexican group. Her thesis, titled Neutrino Classification Through Deep Learning aimed at the Hyper-Kamiokande Development Project, is available online at the Tecnológico de Monterrey repositories. In case you want to have a deeper understanding of her research, we encourage you to explore her work and gain insight into this significant contribution to our field. As well as this product of the collaborations, professors and scientists from Hyper-Kamiokande Project contributed to Chapter 23, of the book of Meta-heuristics in Machine Learning Theory and Applications. This chapter discusses the applications of machine learning in particle physics, especially focusing on Mexico's involvement in the Hyper-Kamiokande Observatory. The chapter highlights the approach to simulate data for different multi-photon sensor detector sites and to select the best configuration using convolutional neural networks, as well as maximizing the accuracy in the particle detection utilizing machine learning algorithms.
We also recognize Engineer Elisa Medina for her outstanding work on the mechanical structure analysis of the multi-PMT sensor and the manufacture of the reflector ring, as well as simulations with different materials to assess the mechanical stress tolerance of sensor components. Moreover, she has played a key role in the construction of the black box for single detection, photon detection of PMTs, which is currently underway at Tecnológico de Monterrey, Campus Monterrey. I would like to present a video of one of the tests conducted by Engineer Elisa Medina during her research. In this video, we can appreciate the mechanical stress tests involved in the box that will carry the PMTs. Next one, please. I would like to present another video demonstrating the vibration testing of the PMT's support structure, which was designed and tested here in Mexico. And finally, here is one photo of engineer Lisa working on the program SolidWorks for her research project. Later today, I invite you to attend her presentation on this research, please. Furthermore, we expressed our deepest gratitude to Natch and WAS for joining this collaboration and for their valuable contributions in the field of data science and the construction of the PMTs. I would like to remark that WAS was part of the proto collaboration along with UDG. And without their support, none of this would have been possible, as they are the institutions that initiated Mexico's collaboration in this international project. As of today, the collaboration consists of 4 universities, and we look forward to more institutions joining the project in the future. And finally, we are excited to announce an MOU with the University of Tokyo, the principal institution involved in the Hyper-Kamiokande project, which is currently under negotiation. To conclude, I encourage you to stay updated on the latest advancements of this project through our social media channels and explore the insights shared by our dedicated researchers. We extend our sincere appreciation to Isbekri for facilitating the presentation of the Mexican collaboration's efforts, and to Outreachhyper-Kamiokande Mexico for allowing engineer Judith and myself, student Montserrat, the opportunity for communicating their findings and awards.